want to be remembered in prayers this Ramadan? So all of those young artists, here is a very quick and pocket friendly idea for you guys. All what we are going to do is plan out our image, what we exactly want, which size we want our paper to be. It should be small, not too big, and easy to paint. We are going to make a quick sketch, making sure that the perspective is right. Just make sure that everything is aligned. So when we are making this image, I'm making this into layers so that I can number it. So what you guys have to do it after completing the drawing, number the image from background to foreground. After that, we're gonna plan out the whole painting and start with any color that you want. I'm picking a color which is usually used for sunset. I have randomly picked up a paint, yellow and orange, and mixing it on the canvas only. You do not need to be perfect. Strokes can be shown. It does not have to be neat and clean. Use as much amount of water you want to. If not, keep it thick. Now it's time to take the black color in our hand. Use it for the first layer that we marked. It does not have to be neat and clean, as I said. Now we will take a sponge and dab white paint on a painting. Use a bit of paintbrush, a bit watery. You can again, it's your preference, as much as translucent you want. You can use more water, and don't worry about the neatness. It does not have to be neat. It just has to be quick and easy painting for you guys. So as I keep on going on, I'm gonna repeat the same pattern. I'm going to paint black. Again, I'm going to mention it does not have to be crisp. I'm even changing my drawing a bit as I'm moving along as per my instincts. You can do that too. It does not have to be very mature with a lot of shades. It's just simple black. Again, use sponge to make a layer on it. Okay, so now we are almost done and it's time for the final layer. Now this layer does not need to be layered with the white paint. We will just leave it crisp black, creating a silhouette, and just go with the flow. Keep your hands relaxed and paint the whole section. wherever you want the crisp layer to be. After this, I'm just gonna add a bit of detail. I'm gonna bring a bit of shade of using white color once again, and just a bit of strokes, not much. If you want to, you can do this. If you don't, that's also fine. And I just like adding a little bit of texture to the painting. It gives a nice look. So you can try that. If it does not turn out and if it looks messy, you can always again paint it black. I'm adding a bit of color here too. If you don't want to, it's all up to you. I'm just adding it on the edges for the highlights and shadows. There you go. It's almost done and ready to be gifted. So thank you everyone. I saw lots of increase in my subscriber. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking and viewing my videos. Manvi tips.